Hi, I'm Patty Kim. Peaceful and relaxing. That's how many people would describe the ideal bedroom. So if you're redecorating to create that serene atmosphere, here are a few ways you can make sure the bedroom is also one of the healthiest spots in the house. Now, decorators will tell you that a fresh coat of paint is the quickest and cheapest way to transform a room. But even after the smell of wet paint disappears, paint continues to give off chemicals in the form of a gas, a process called off-gassing. Inhaling off-gassed chemicals can affect your health, but there's something you can do about it. When it's time to paint, avoid oil-based products and choose paints that are low in volatile organic compounds, or VOCs. Some carpets can emit gases as well. To avoid chemical off-gassing, choose washable area rugs made from untreated natural fibers like organic cotton, hemp, or wool. These steps will help make the air inside your home cleaner, but by making one teeny change right here in the bedroom, you can also help to reduce outdoor pollution as well. All you have to do is replace these standard light bulbs with something that looks like this. It's a compact fluorescent light, or CFL. Traditional incandescent light bulbs create light by giving off heat. CFLs burn far cooler and use 2/3 less energy. The advantages don't stop there. CFLs last up to 10 times longer than incandescent bulbs. Over its lifetime, just one bulb can prevent hundreds of pounds of carbon dioxide from entering the atmosphere. That same bulb can cut $30 off your electric bill before it wears out. CFLs come in many shapes and sizes. A bulb labeled warm white gives off a warmer, more golden glow, similar to an incandescent light bulb. Now, if you're ready to shop for CFLs, what you've got to do first is check the wattage on the bulbs that you're using right now, then divide that by 4. And that's because CFLs, they tend to produce about 4 times as much light as the standard bulb. So if that's way too much math for you, let me give you an idea. You've got a 100-watt standard bulb. What you want to do is buy a 25-watt CFL. When you turn the lights out at night, you'll need a bed that's healthy for you and the environment. When you buy a bed, look for mattresses made with organic materials, such as organic cotton, wool, or natural latex. You'll avoid the harmful chemical formaldehyde, which is emitted by the materials in many conventional mattresses. And by choosing organic cotton, you'll be reducing the amount of pesticides in the environment. Just by following any of these tips, you can make your bedroom healthier and more earth-friendly. And not to mention, a great place to get a good night's sleep. We'll see you next time. To find out how green your bedroom is, click on the link below to take the quiz.